When I'm having a party, and Thanksgiving's a party, right? I like to have one cocktail that everybody shares. It's kind of more a shared experience and more celebratory. So I'm making pomegranate gimlets. So I made the mixture, poured it into a cocktail shaker. You have to shake it for 30 seconds. And what it does is chill the drink and also dilute it, so it's going to be really delicious. 30 seconds is longer than you think. Tom Cruise and cocktail. Okay, and then I'm going to pour it into chilled glasses. I froze them. This is such a good cocktail. The pomegranate juice and lime juice makes it very tart. Good glasses, always a good idea. A little slice of lime. And I like to put pomegranate seeds at the bottom. And that's a pomegranate gimlet. And with the gimlets, I like to serve really simple hors d'oeuvre. And this is toast with fig jam, goat cheese, and fresh figs. It's just assembled and it's really good. Just layers of flavor. Everybody will love them. Happy Thanksgiving. Don't mind if I try it. Make sure it's really good. Perfect for the holidays.